As we continue on with our series on the ABCs of aging, we move to the letter N for new. New, exciting, different, challenging, changing, all good stuff. Just like as kids, when we would pick up something new, learn something new, our brains would erupt. And there's that excitement that comes with something new. We need to do that with our parents too. Introduce them to new ideas, new learnings, and new experiences altogether. The cool thing for learning some of this stuff is through children. Their grandchildren can come in and introduce them to technology like nobody else. My son, who's now 16, has been doing technology lessons with my parents for years. In fact, they take the newspaper on a daily basis, and when the newspaper wasn't being delivered routinely to their home, they became super frustrated. My son was able to go in and set them up on their cell phone and on a tablet where they could get the Wall Street Journal every single day. And subsequently, they became interested in what else could they do through this technology. So it has been amazing. And every time we visit my parents, my son and my dad sit down with just a little iPhone and go through new apps that he can use. Similarly, Alexa is a fantastic tool to use. She can give a new word of the day that y'all could discuss later. She could even find a new artist, a new music artist that sounds like Frank Sinatra. So your parent is introduced to something new that way. And whether it's a new recipe or a new television show or a new book, I just encourage you to help your parents find those new things. For these and many other ideas, please give us a call and let us help you keep your parents safe and healthy at home.